The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill has all the features you need for a great tasting cookout, and all at an affordable price. No matches are needed with a piezo igniter. You can light all your burners with a simple push of a button. The stainless steel burners provide an even heat across the cooking surface. Porcelain-coated heat tents protect the burners and keep the heat focused where it should be, on your food. The durable porcelain coating on the cooking grates make them rust-resistant and easy to clean. With the Char-Broil Classic series, choose from 2, 3, and 4 burner options to suit all your grilling needs. The wide metal side shelves give you ample preparation space, and optional side burners are perfect for warming sauces and side dishes. And they're built to last with durable steel frame construction and large wheels that make it easy to move and store. With a 5-year burner warranty, you can feel confident preparing great tasting meals for the long haul. The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill is a smart and affordable choice to get your next cookout started.
How can anyone say no to the tempting smell of charcoal grilling? This Royal Gourmet charcoal grill with offset smoker is ready to help you create great cooking memories with family and friends. This grill is constructed of heavy-duty steel and is made to last. It has a 782 square inch total cooking area, so you can cook for up to 7 or 8 people. The height-adjustable charcoal pan with lifting handles allows for easy temperature control. Porcelain enameled cooking grates hold heat well and give your food lovely sear marks. The steel mesh front shelf keeps all of your grilling essentials within easy reach. The built-in thermometer allows for precision temperature control so you can cook with confidence. Cool touch spring handles protect your hands from heat. Prepare appetizers or side dishes with the offset smoker. Enjoy charcoal grilling and smoking at the same time. The smoker has a built-in vent and side door to let you easily control the temperature. The firebox, together with the offset smoker, forms an efficient heat transfer system. A warming rack gives you extra cooking space. If you're grilling or smoking, give your family and friends exceptionally delicious food at every meal. Hassle-free cleanup each time before and after use. 2 wheels allow the grill to be moved easily for convenient storage. The Royal Gourmet charcoal grill with offset smoker perfectly suits all of your grilling and smoking needs. Make your next barbecue a success with Royal Gourmet.
The Spirit 2 gas grill was uniquely designed with its fun new colors and innovative iGrill 3 compatibility. The Spirit 2 gas grill comes equipped with the Weber GS4 grilling system. The GS4 grilling system is composed of 4 key components: infinity ignition, burners, flavorizer bars, and grease management system. These 4 components work together to ensure that every aspect of the grilling experience is easy and reliable. The Spirit 2 gas grill is offered in 2 and 3 burner models. The Spirit 2 is compatible with the iGrill 3, an app-connected thermometer that tracks the internal temperature of your food. Simply download the free Weber iGrill app and connect your device to the iGrill. Once your food reaches the desired temperature, an alert will sound on your mobile device telling you that it's time to remove your food from the grill. Porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates retain heat for better sear marks and are easy to clean with a stainless steel grill brush. The sleek open cart design provides additional room and accessibility for grilling tools and accessories. By mounting the gas tank to the outside of the grill, the tank is easier to take on and off and allows you to check the fuel gauge to see how much fuel is left. All Spirit 2 gas grills feature a left side table that conveniently folds down for smaller spaces. Best of all, the Spirit 2 comes with a 10-year, 100% Weber guarantee warranty. With this warranty, every single component of the grill is protected for 10 years. It's the warranty that won't let you down. Whether this is your first, second, or third grill, you're a dedicated barbecue enthusiast, or just starting out, the Spirit 2 gas grill is guaranteed to provide you with years of grilling success and great memories.
The Weber Smokey Joe Gold Charcoal Grill is a big grill in a small package, specially designed to travel with you comfortably. It fits easily in the trunk and closes tightly with a lid lock that doubles as a lid holder. Built to last, classic Weber quality in a really convenient take-along or stay-at-home size. It can't be beat. Like all Weber charcoal grills, portable charcoal models feature porcelain enameled bowls and lids. Baked on at approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, the finish is actually fused to the steel, preventing rust through and burn off for years of use. The size may change, but the quality never does. No rust aluminum dampers on the lid and bowl adjust the heat the charcoal creates by adding or restricting airflow. For ease of handling, the grill has a glass-reinforced nylon lid handle set into the center top of the lid. The tuck and carry lid holder is a specially designed stainless steel wire cradle to store the lid safely out of the way when you open the grill. Just slide the lid into the holder. The plated steel cooking grate provides ample cooking area for steaks, hamburgers, sausages, and other great grill-out foods. The Smokey Joe Gold Portable Charcoal Grill features high-end transportation convenience with a tuck-and-carry lid holder that locks the lid in place. You'll be ready to go in minutes, and so will the Smokey Joe Gold.